Did he say I love you?
He says he loves me. Hello.
Cool.
What do you say?
I think he said pretty bird.
Pretty bird, are you? Hello. What am I doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
The bird said he loved me.
Yeah.
Hello.
What did
Bye.
he say?
What do you say?
Did he say pop?
Love you.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
I love you. I love you. I love Pretty Bird.
I love pretty bird. Why does he do that?
Hello. I love you. I love Pretty Bird.
Who does he love?
Pretty Bird.
That's his name.
Oh.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nate the Challenger. Yeah, my eyes look tired because it's the morning, and I just updated this video when it was a family vacation like 2 years ago to Florida. It was really fun, but that was Bird there. The bird was there, and it was hilarious there. So, peace out. Watching my upcoming videos. Bye.